Traction control systems are essential safety technologies that help drivers maintain control of their vehicles in challenging driving conditions. These systems work together to prevent accidents and improve vehicle stability. TCS, or traction control system, is the foundation of vehicle stability. It prevents wheel spin during acceleration by continuously monitoring the speed of each wheel and taking corrective action when needed. ESC, electronic stability control, is a more comprehensive system that includes traction control. It monitors steering input versus actual vehicle direction and prevents dangerous skidding or loss of control. ESP is Mercedes-Benz and Bosch terminology for Electronic Stability Program, which offers the most comprehensive stability management. BAS, or Brake Assist System, detects emergency braking situations and applies maximum braking force automatically. Modern vehicles integrate advanced sensor technologies, including radar, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors. These work together with AI algorithms and cloud connectivity to provide comprehensive vehicle stability and safety. The system relies on wheel speed sensors that monitor individual wheel rotation. These sensors work with ABS reluctor rings to detect when wheels are spinning at different speeds, sending this data to the electronic control unit for processing. Modern diagnostic tools provide comprehensive monitoring capabilities. They offer real-time system monitoring, predictive maintenance alerts, remote diagnostic capabilities, and detailed fault codes that help technicians quickly identify and resolve issues. These integrated systems work seamlessly together to provide maximum vehicle safety and stability. Understanding how TCS, ESC, ESP, and BAS function helps drivers appreciate the sophisticated technology protecting them on the road. When traction control warning lights appear, there are 5 main causes. Faulty wheel speed sensors account for 35% of cases, making them the most common issue. ABS module failure represents 25% of cases, followed by wiring issues at 20%. Low battery voltage and software glitches each account for 10% of problems. Wheel speed sensors, like this one shown with the reluctor ring, are the most vulnerable components. They detect wheel rotation and send signals to the ECU for traction control decisions. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the component. Sensor replacement typically costs $150 to $300 per sensor, while ABS module repairs can range from $800 to $1,500. There are 2 main reset procedures. The basic reset can be performed without special tools. First, turn the ignition to the on position with the engine off. Next, rapidly depress the brake pedal 10 times, then turn the steering wheel fully left and then fully right. Finally, turn the ignition off and wait 30 seconds, then restart the engine to complete the basic reset procedure. For more complex issues, an advanced reset using an OBD2 scanner is required. This involves connecting the diagnostic tool, navigating to the ABS module, and clearing fault codes. Prevention is key to avoiding traction control issues. Regular maintenance, using quality replacement parts, and professional installation help ensure system reliability and reduce costly repairs.